Hello everyone, this is Queen Bee with another nail tutorial on how to properly use a e-file drill. So today's nail tutorial is going to break down the 3 steps on how to use a drill. So you want to use your drill and break it down in 3 steps. So you got zone number 1, zone number 2 is the middle of the bearing, zone number 3 is the end of the bearing. So you got zone 1, 2, and 3. This is going to help you know where to use the drill bit at. So zone 1 is going to be this corner here. Zone 2 is going to be the middle of the barrel. Zone 3 is going to be the end of the barrel. The reason for this is so if you're using the drill here, you're going to be sizzling their finger off. You're going to be fouling their finger, fouling their skin. It's going to hurt them. So that's why you want to use zone 3 on this side, zone 2 in the middle, and zone 1 for this side. It just helps you maneuver the drill better, when you're doing it. So we're going to do this in live time. I just want to show you prior. You want to use zone 1 again, 2 for the middle, and 3 for the sides. This is to help you securely go up and down the shaft of the nail without having to hit the people's cuticle and skin. So we're going to do it in real time just to show you, okay? I'm going to cut your drill on. All right, it's a little too low. High. But first you want to do zone 1, and I always brace my finger. Some people do, some people don't, but I kind of like to have something to, kind of hold it in place. So you want to do zone 1. So you want to do zone 1, 2, and 3. All right, see I didn't touch no cuticle. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to just go on a faster motion, you want to do 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's not touching the nail. You go 1, 2, 3. Again. And mind you, I'm doing this in the angle of the camera, so it's really at an awkward angle. But I'm hoping you're getting the logistics of what I'm saying. You want to use zone 1, 2, and 3. So you're not hitting the person's finger or cuticle. So zone 1, 2, and 3. All right, zone 1, 2, and 3. All the way down the nail. Zone 1, 2, and you can go 3, 2, 1. It's up to you, but as long as you get used to, the point is to get you used to using it and not doing this when you should be doing this. Okay, so remember 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. All right. Any questions, leave them in the comments. I will get back with you. For more nail tutorial videos, you want to follow me on YouTube at Queen Bee Nail Hive. For more nail tutorials, you want to follow me at Queen Bee Nail Hive on YouTube. I also do classes, so you can find my information on YouTube or Instagram about my classes. I have a 3-day and a 5-day class. So hit me up. Queen Bee Nail Hive. Come get your nails pollinated.